Hello viewers, I hope you will be fine. This is Shaban and you're watching a Shaban Tag. Today we will learn about if someone is teasing you in TikTok and if you want no one see your profile, then you need to private your account. If you want to put your account private, just your followers see you, not anyone, not other, not other person see you, just your followers see you. If you want to put your account private, then I will teach you how you can put your account in private. Okay, let's become not waste time and go to mobile screen. Okay, first of all, this is my account, this is my one account. Then here you can easily, I tell you how you can put your account in private. Click on three lines, then click on setting and privacy, and here is option have privacy option. Click on privacy option. Here have account, here has option, one option is private account. Then you just easily click there, private account, simple. Then turn off and continue. It also your ad authorization also off. If you want to click there, I don't want to put my account in private, I just make this video because I want to teach you. Okay, if you want to more have option activity status, someone see you or not. If you also you can off and on, suggest your account to other. This one also have a down you see have comments option, mention option, have too many options. If you want anyone, you can turn on, you can turn off. This is your wish, this is your account. Thank you so much. And if you want to more learn about the TikTok, then you can follow me and I will teach you every day a new skill. Thank you so much.